How are we gonna find the princess with the power going out? How maybe this is a light switch. One of the remind me to die.
Luigi blocks now. Luigi blocks.
スネーク、忙しいところすまないが、ビッグニュースだ。
なんだ、また無茶を言うんじゃないだろうな。
You must die!
Hey, Mario! Look what I...
It's a stone, Luigi. You didn't get.
It's a...
Muffin! What would you like for breakfast, Johnny? Cartoon pumpkin.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Be careful when you pinch Wendy's.
Muffin!
They die.
Duke Onklet is under attack by the evil forces of Gamelon. I'm going to Gamelon to serial him.
Sup, bitches? It's Chad Warden here. I'm talking about that PS Triple. The PS Triple. I ain't talking about that Wii. That Wii shit. Shit, people will be talking about how it's all new and shit. But you know what I'm trying to say? I'm trying to say is that, come on now, Wii? Come on, that.
And so, we found ourselves back in Dome City, safe and sound, thanks to you, Yoshi.